was always a priority for my parents to make time for us to go camping, fishing, anything outdoors, and we did that on a regular basis. So a priority for us has been creating the same types of adventures for our kids. We want them to have memories that will last a lifetime, and the outdoors is where that happens. I think one of the most important aspects about planning a family camping trip is not over-planning that trip. Get out there, set up the tent, get everything ready, and let the experiences occur as they would naturally. Wake up with the loons crying on the water, watching the sun come over the horizon, getting firewood prepped, food prepped. All of that stuff needs to happen as it happens, not something that you write down on a schedule. As the day unfolds, the first thing my son Tommy's gonna do is gonna grab a rod, be down on the bank of the river, skipping rocks, casting a line. My daughter's gonna be in the woods looking for bugs or flowers or whatever intrigues her. My wife and I, we're hanging out enjoying watching the kids enjoy their day. Sitting there and watching those memories be created is the memory that we're after. Some of my fondest memories as a kid in the outdoors was learning outdoor skills from my parents. And being able to take that same experience and provide opportunities for my kids, that's what this is all about. We love to talk about how to build a campfire, how we're gonna prepare food. Those are all things that I feel like they're valuable life skills my kids are learning while we're out there enjoying each other. S'mores, what kid doesn't love s'mores when you're out camping? I'm an adult, and if I don't have s'mores on a camping trip, I feel cheated. It's a great thing to teach the kids how to do. At the time, they don't realize they're making memories, but these are things they're never gonna forget. As a family, one of our favorite activities when we're outside together is eating. We love to prepare food, and we love to enjoy it in that type of setting, but the fun part is how we're going to prepare it. And we have camping cookware, the use of the fire, and when we're all sitting down at the table enjoying the food we all cook together, it has a whole nother level of enjoyment and memories being made. We sit down for a meal almost every single night. You take that same tradition to the outdoors, at a picnic, at a campsite, and you're able to relive a lot of the memories you made throughout the day. And I think what keeps it unique in the outdoors is there's always something new to talk about while you're enjoying a meal you just cooked on an open fire. I know our trips have been a success when we've not even made it home and they're asking when the next camping trip's gonna be. And the next time, it's gonna be even better. Ultimately, the collective family memories are what make the outdoors my passion. Having my family be a part of that, there's really nothing better out there.